Have you ever pondered on the miracles that were described centuries ago yet only validated by modern science today? It's a question that invites curiosity, wonder, and a sense of awe for the mysteries of our universe. Indeed, our world is filled with wonders that continue to baffle even the most brilliant minds. Yet some of these wonders were foretold long before science could confirm them. In the heart of this mystery, we find ourselves delving into a prophecy that was penned down in the Quran over 14 centuries ago. A prophecy that remained a puzzle, an enigma, for those who came across it. It was a prophecy that seemed to defy the understanding of the time. A prophecy that was far beyond the grasp of human comprehension during its revelation. This prophecy hails from an era where the world was vastly different from the one we know today. An epoch devoid of the advancements and scientific knowledge we are privy to in the 21st century. Yet it is in this very era that a prophecy was made, a prophecy that science is now beginning to unravel and affirm. Isn't it intriguing to think that a book, written in the 7th century, could contain information that science is only now beginning to comprehend? It challenges our understanding of time, of knowledge, and of the cosmos itself. It's as if a window was opened into the future. A glimpse was provided into the discoveries that were to come. This isn't just about a prophecy, it's about a connection that bridges the gap between the ancient and the modern, between faith and science. It's a testament to the timeless wisdom that the Quran holds, wisdom that transcends the boundaries of time and space. So what is this prophecy, you may wonder? What is this miracle that was mentioned in the Quran 14 centuries ago and has been validated by science in our day and age? The suspense, as they say, is part of the journey. Stay tuned as we unveil this fascinating prophecy that stood the test of time. The miracle in question lies within the verses of the Quran, the holy book of Islam, written over 14 centuries ago. In the second chapter, known as Al-Baqarah, verse 22, it states, "Who made the earth a resting place for you and the sky a structure, and sends water down from the sky and brings out with it fruits as a provision for you?" This verse, tucked away in the vast expanse of the Quran's wisdom, holds the key to our miracle. Now let's put this into context. At the time of its revelation, the idea of the earth as a resting place and the sky as a structure were easily graspable concepts. But the bit about rainwater bringing forth fruits, now that's where the miracle truly shines. It implied a deep understanding of the water cycle, and the role it plays in agriculture, concepts that were far beyond the scientific understanding of the time. Another verse, Al-Anbiya 30 reads, "Do not those who disbelieve see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass, then we opened them up, and we made from water every living thing, will they not then believe?" This verse not only speaks of the creation of the universe but also of the origin of life, again hinting at knowledge that was centuries ahead of its time. These verses, among others, are not just spiritual guidance but a testament to the timeless wisdom of the Quran. They paint a picture of a world interconnected by the elements, a world where life springs forth from the interplay of earth, water, and sky. To the people of the 7th century, these verses provided proof of divine wisdom and authority. Yet their significance extends far beyond the spiritual realm. They hint at complex scientific phenomena, revealed at a time when humanity was yet to uncover these truths. It's as if the Quran was not just a religious text, but a roadmap to scientific discovery, waiting patiently for humanity to catch up. But what does this ancient text have to do with modern science? Let's delve deeper. The Quran, though an ancient text, contains wisdom and knowledge that continue to astound scientists today. It's remarkable the way ancient wisdom and modern science have a way of intersecting. 14 centuries ago, the Quran described a miracle, a phenomenon that was beyond the understanding of the people of that era. Fast forward to today and we find that science has not only caught up with this ancient wisdom, but also validated it with empirical evidence. Let's delve into the specifics. The Quran speaks of the intricacies of the human body, the complexities of the universe, and the interplay of natural forces, among other things. One such instance is a miracle that was mentioned in the Quran, a miracle that scientists are now beginning to understand. The miracle is not a fantastical event that defies the laws of nature. No, it's something much deeper. It is a natural occurrence, a fact of life that was described in the Quran long before science had the means to prove it. This miracle is an example of the Quran's timeless wisdom, an ancient text that was way ahead of its time. It also demonstrates the Quran's unique approach to knowledge, combining spiritual insight with empirical observation. But how did this happen? How could an ancient text possibly predict a scientific fact that would only be discovered centuries later? This is a question that continues to baffle scientists and scholars alike. Some attribute it to divine insight, while others see it as evidence of the Quran's profound understanding of the natural world. Regardless of the interpretation, the fact remains that the Quran accurately described a natural phenomenon that was beyond the comprehension of its contemporaries. So, as we stand at the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science, we can't help but marvel at the timeless knowledge contained within the Quran. It's a testament to the enduring relevance of this holy book, which continues to guide and inspire billions of people around the world. Intriguing, isn't it? How an ancient text could foresee a scientific fact that would only be discovered centuries later. Let's not just take it on faith, but examine the concrete scientific validation of this miracle. We live in an era where the pursuit of knowledge is not confined to the scriptures. The curiosity of humanity has led us to the far reaches of the cosmos, to the depths of the oceans, and into the microscopic world of atoms. We have the tools, the technology, and the tenacity to explore, investigate, and validate. And it is through this lens of scientific inquiry that we examine this miracle outlined in the Quran over 14 centuries ago. The miracle we speak of is not just a metaphorical or spiritual one. It is a tangible phenomenon, described with such precision in the Quranic verses that it leaves little room for ambiguity. But the Quran is not a scientific textbook. It is a guide for life, a beacon of wisdom, and a source of spiritual nourishment. Yet, within its verses we find descriptions of natural phenomena that align with what we have discovered through scientific research. Take for example the Quranic narrative of the creation of the universe. The Quran describes it as an event of Big Bang proportions, a concept that only came to scientific understanding in the 20th century. The Quran also speaks of the continuous expansion of the universe, a fact confirmed by Edwin Hubble in the 1930s. The Quran further delves into the intricacies of human embryology, describing the stages of fetal development in the womb with striking accuracy. This was validated centuries later through the advent of modern medicine and technology. The Quran's mention of mountains as stabilizers for the earth, preventing it from shaking, echoes the modern understanding of tectonic plates and their role in maintaining the earth's stability. These are but a few examples of the scientific truths embedded within the Quran, each one a testament to its divine origin and a validation of the miracle it presents. The harmony between this ancient prophecy and modern science is truly astonishing. Now that we've seen the scientific validation, let's reflect on the significance of this miracle in our lives today. In a world where faith and science often seem to be at odds, this miracle bridges the gap, offering a harmonious intersection where both can coexist. It serves as a reminder that there's a place for spiritual wisdom within our scientific understanding. The miracle, described in the Quran 14 centuries ago, now validated by modern science, challenges the notion that these two domains are mutually exclusive. It's not just a historical event, but a beacon of guidance for the present and future. It encourages us to approach science with humility and curiosity, to question, explore, and discover, all the while recognizing the profound wisdom embedded in ancient scriptures. In the context of today's world, this miracle has practical implications too. It invites us to reevaluate our perceptions, to see that faith and science are not opposing forces, but different lenses through which we view the same reality. This perspective can inspire innovative thinking, fostering a culture of intellectual and spiritual growth. Moreover, the miracle serves as a testament to the enduring relevance of the Quran. In a time when many ancient texts are deemed obsolete, this miracle underscores the timeless wisdom contained within it. It's a gentle nudge, a reminder to revisit these pages with fresh eyes and an open mind, seeking not just spiritual guidance, but also scientific insights. This miracle, then, is more than a historical curiosity. It's a catalyst for thought and dialogue, a bridge between the past and the present, science and faith. It's a testament to the Quran's enduring relevance and a reminder of its profound wisdom. Indeed, this miracle, validated by science, continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the timeless wisdom contained in the Quran.